it's really a transformation, whether it's manufacturing industry, and in any case, in the IT industry and so on, the transformation is such that it is no option kind of situation where all students have to look at what is really relevant. But before that, I want to step back and tell my young friends one important thing, that companies look at three things when they are hiring people. It's the acronym for that is ASK, A-S-K. The A is for attitude, the S is for skills, and the K is for knowledge. Now, out of this, attitude is something that you develop yourself over a period of time and sometimes with guidance of others. The S is the most important, the skills. And these skills, even if you learn some skills today, let's say you pick up 5 skills, and maybe in your job, the next job you use only 2, doesn't matter. The 3 skills that you learned will come in handy somewhere or the other. And why do I say so? I'm talking about my own experience long back when, during my summer vacation in class 10 and 11, my parents pushed me to go and learn typing. And many of my friends said, are you going to become a typist? Is that what you intend? But no, my parents said, hey, you pick up a skill. So later on, when you are, punching on the computer keyboard, you can do it much faster than you would have done otherwise. So just a small example that skills never go waste, or if you learn a language or whatever. So it is important to focus in your life on that S, the skills. And of course, knowledge in the domain that you are, or knowledge outside your domain. So coming specifically to Abhay's question, I think when we look at industry today, when we look at the manufacturing industry, everything is moving to IoT because it is more and more, let's say, difficult to manage, retain. So when you have IoT, you can, run a plant even with very few people, or you have got sensors everywhere, you can manage it and so on. If it's AI, actually, slowly AI word will go out of dictionary because AI will become like normal intelligence. That's how widespread it is becoming. Or blockchain. Okay, today it's new, but the advantages are so many that there is no option for service sector or manufacturing sector or retail sector or finance sector to pick them up. So these are actually the skills that the employers are looking, because they want someone who hits the road running, who hits the right way, who hits the road running. So when you join, you don't take 6 months. Those days are over when we had an induction program for 6 months and so on. Today the employer wants, okay, in a day or 2 or 3, you get on with it. So if you have these skills, you are so much more valuable to the employer